Hi! In front of me is CUBOT R19, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to Calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Calendar and tap on it. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It, and tap on the month above. Over here, pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select event and adjust it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting and ending hour, add location, set up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before, and even take notes. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always edit it by tapping on it, clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner, making new changes, and tapping on save one more time. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you can also do that by tapping on it, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner. From here, select delete and confirm your choice in this delete this event pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!